Welcome to this lesson on phylogenetic trees. These powerful diagrams help us understand how different species are connected through evolution. By the end of this video, you'll be able to read and interpret these trees to discover evolutionary relationships between organisms. Phylogenetic trees are diagrams that show evolutionary relationships between species or groups of organisms. Think of them as family trees for all life on Earth. They map out how different species are related through common ancestors, showing us which organisms share recent evolutionary history and which diverged long ago. Every phylogenetic tree has four main components. Nodes are the points where branches split, representing common ancestors. Branches are the lines connecting nodes, showing evolutionary pathways over time. Tips are the endpoints representing current or extinct species. The root is the base of the tree, representing the most recent common ancestor of all species shown. Let's look at how these components work together. The root at the bottom represents the oldest common ancestor. As we move up the tree, nodes show where lineages split. Each branch represents an evolutionary path. The tips at the ends represent different species. Species A and B share a more recent common ancestor with each other than either does with species C or D. The key to reading phylogenetic trees is understanding sister groups. Species that share the most recent common ancestor are more closely related. This is crucial. Closeness on the tree shows evolutionary relatedness, not physical similarity. Two organisms might look very different but be closely related if they share a recent common ancestor. There are two main types of phylogenetic trees. Rooted trees show the common ancestor and direction of evolution with a clear root point. Unrooted trees show relationships between species without indicating ancestral direction. They don't have a specified root or time direction, but still reveal which species are most closely related. A clade is a group containing an ancestor and all its descendants. Groups that form a complete clade are called monophyletic. This concept is important because true evolutionary groups should be monophyletic to accurately reflect shared ancestry. When scientists classify organisms, they aim to create groups that are monophyletic. Branch lengths in phylogenetic trees carry important information. They can represent evolutionary time or the amount of genetic change between species. Longer branches indicate either more time has passed or greater genetic differences have accumulated. Some trees have branches of equal length, focusing only on relationships, while others use proportional lengths to show time or change. Let's clear up some common mistakes. First, trees do not show a ladder of progress. All living species are equally evolved, just in different directions. Second, tip position doesn't show advancement. Only the branching pattern matters for determining relationships. Third, species don't evolve into each other. Instead, they share common ancestors rather than forming direct lineages. Remember these three essential points. First, focus on branching patterns to determine evolutionary relationships. Second, nodes represent common ancestors shared by descendant species. Third, trees map ancestry, not progression or advancement. With these principles, you can now confidently read phylogenetic trees and understand the evolutionary connections between organisms. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.